Oh, hey, UCan. Nice surfboard. Love the decals. Oh, wait, where are you going? You got some friends here that need some math help. Wow. Who knew toucans could surf? I guess UCan really can do anything.
UCan wants you to use multiplication and division to solve word problems. Involving equal groups.
Hey, UCan, you're back. That was a gnarly wave. Wow. Good thing you're back too, because you've got some friends that really need some math help. You've got 4 friends, and they've got 4 surfboards. And they want to make their surfboard look as awesome as yours does. Each friend wants to put 3 decals on their surfboards. So, how many decals are there going to be all together? Go ahead, guys. This is a pencil problem, so give it a shot on your own. First, you're going to write what you know and what you don't know, then an equation, then draw a picture, and last, write the answer. Good luck.
So, did you give it a shot on your own? You know that there's 4 kids that want to decorate their surfboards, so you know the number of groups. There's 4 kids. You also know that each kid has 3 decals. So you also know the number of items in each group. There's going to be 3 decals in each group or for each kid. What do you want to find out? Well, you want to know the total number of items. You want to know how many decals you're going to need all together. When you don't know the total number of items, but you know the number of groups and the number of items in each group, you know this has to be a multiplication problem. So your equation might look something like this. 4 groups of 3 equals that something you don't know, that total number of items you're not sure about yet. You could draw a picture. Did your picture look like this? 4 groups, 4 kids. Each kid had 3 decals. And if you had 4 groups of 3, then you would know that you could count by 3s or count each one to find the total answer. I'm going to count each one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Did you get this? That we're going to need 12 decals all together to decorate those surfboards? Awesome job, guys.
Hey, UCan. We got another math wave to catch. Are you ready? So this time you've got 4 friends. That's 1, 2, 3, 4 surfboards. And you also have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 decals all together. So now you've got to figure out how many decals each one of your friends is going to get for their surfboard. Remember, this is a pencil problem, so you need to solve it on your own. First, see if you can write down what you know and don't know. Then write an equation. Next, try to draw a picture. And last, write that answer down. Good luck.
How'd you do? Did you know that this time you knew the total number of items? You know that there are 12 decals in that box. And maybe you also wrote down that you know the number of groups. You know that 4 kids want to decorate their surfboards. And did you figure out that what you needed to find out was the number of items in each group? So you know that 4 kids are going to have to share those 12 decals. Whenever I'm sharing a total number of items, I know that's division. I know that I've got 4 groups of something that's going to give me 12. Or I could put my total number of items first. That would be 12 divided by those 4 groups is going to give me some number. And also, last time we talked about writing a division problem like this. 12 divided by 4. Cool, huh? What'd your picture look like? Maybe you drew those 4 groups, and then you went ahead and shared the decals out. 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, 1 here. That's 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I just shared the 12 among those 4 groups. So I can see that 12 divided by 4 must be 3. Each kid's going to get 3 decals.
Hey, UCan, I don't know about you, but I got a little water up my nose on that last one. We got another math wave to catch? Oh my goodness! This time, you know how many decals you have all together. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 decals. And every kid is going to get 3 decals for their surfboard. So what you don't know is how many kids are going to be able to decorate their surfboard. Remember, it's a pencil problem. Make sure you write down what you know and don't know. Make an equation, draw a picture, and last write down the answer. Good luck.
Okay, our last one. Let's see how you did. So maybe you noticed that this time you knew the total number of items. You know that there are 12 decals in the box. And this time, it's a little different. This time, you know the number of items that are going to be in each group. So you know that each kid needs to get 3 decals. What did we need to find out? We needed to find out the number of groups. We weren't sure how many kids could decorate their surfboard if we had 12 decals and each one needed 3. So this time we needed to take away groups of 3 until we had no more groups to take away. This is repeated subtraction, and it's another kind of division. Because I know the total number of items, and I know the number of items in each group, it has to be division. I'm going to write it down as a multiplication sentence first, though. So I know it was some groups of 3 was going to give me 12. Or I could write it like this. 12 divided into groups of 3 would give me something. And remember, guys, we can also write division like this. 12 divided into groups of 3 is going to give me something. Let's go ahead and draw this picture. It's going to look a little bit different. And remember last time I showed you how to do repeated subtraction to help you figure it out? We're going to do the same thing here. So we're going to start with our total number of 12. And I'm just going to take away 3 until I have nothing left. 12 minus 3. Here's that 3 that I took away. Well, 12 minus 3 is going to give me 9. Now I'm going to take away another 3. Here's that 3 I took away. 9 minus 3 is 6. Now I'm going to take away another 3. This always goes into my bottom part. Sorry, guys. 6 minus 3 is 3. Here's that other 3 that I took away. I still have one more group of 3 I can take away. 3 minus 3 is 0. Here's that other group of 3 that I took away. So I took away 1, 2, 3, 4 groups of 3. So I know that I'm going to be able to let 4 kids decorate their surfboards. Hey guys, it's time to reflect. And you know what UCan was just telling me? That he's feeling a little confused about something. He has a wonder. Maybe you have this same wonder too that you might want to write down in the wonder box at the bottom. He's wondering where you write your answer in a problem that looks like this. Where do you put that part that you don't know? Guess what? You put it on top. And you read it like this. Always read the total number of items first that are inside. So I would read this 12 divided by 4 is going to give me something.